Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this spring look. I'm not sure if I'm using one palette. I feel like I am, and I'm for sure going to be using the Jawbreaker, but just in case, I'll add them throughout the video. But yeah, today we're going to be going for a spring look because we're getting into spring. It's getting warm. I'm loving it. I'm living for it. And I've been wanting to do a spring look for y'all. So we're going to get straight into the video. So first, starting off with my favorite base, the Jeffree Star Concealer. I honestly love this as a base and a concealer. If y'all haven't used it as a concealer, it's sickening. It literally does not crease. It's like the best. So here I'm using Virgin to set that, and then we'll go in with some shades, more shades, and some colorful ones. So we're going in with Bubblegum first, and I'm just going to be applying that to the crease and working it up. Y'all can apply as much as y'all want, but y'all know I like to have my pigments show, so I definitely made sure to blend and pack, because you don't want to put it all at once because that's going to look very, very harsh. So make sure to blend and pack. So now just going to be taking the shade Suck, and I was hoping that this would be a little bit more of a lighter orange shade. It was kind of darker than the pink, but it really wasn't an issue. I kind of just used a light hand and used it right at those edges of basically all bubblegum, so that way I could diffuse all those edges and make them look really soft and make it transition really good. Notice how I am making sure to grab a little bit at a time, pack it, blend it, all that good stuff. You really want to make sure to take your time with all your makeup looks. So now just taking this beautiful shade Wow and just going to be using that to blend out those edges further. So using that to blend out Suck even more and make it have even more transition. I really like to make sure my transitions pop and that they're very noticeable. So yeah, just taking your time and blending out all those edges, diffusing all those edges. I'm just using that Wow shade and just bringing all that out and up because I really want this eye look to pop. I really want it to stand out, and yeah, it's doing exactly what I want it to do. So going back in with the shade Suck and just blowing that back into the eye, and then going back in with Bubblegum and doing the same thing because like I said, packing them and diffusing them is going to be the best method for you to make your eyes pop and really make your transitions pop out as well. So now just taking the Jeffree Star Concealer to again cut my crease, and I'm just using that on a paintbrush and just making sure to stamp that on, because if you smear it, it's just going to mess up the whole look. So make sure to stamp it on so that way your edges on that cut crease are really defined. I feel like this is the only thing that I would really want for, and this is just preference, but for my eyes to make them pop, I really like that difference between the cut crease and the shades. I think this is the only thing that I would be considered harsh on my eye, but I feel like this is what makes the eye pop, and that's exactly what I'm going for. So just going to be taking that cut crease and cutting it halfway, not taking it too far out, because I still want that peak on the outer portion of my eye, just because I feel like it looks so cute this way, and I just end up adding a shimmer shade. So here I just took that really shimmer shade Jawbreaker, and this pigment is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it looks so cute. But yeah, I feel like it completed the look so much, and it's just wow, it's really, really blending. And then just taking whatever I had left on that brush with bubble gum, and just going to be using that to blend it in and make sure that there's no harsh lines in between those. So here I'm just taking the Kat Von D liner, and I'm just going to be using that to line my eye, obviously, and elongate my eye out, because I feel like this looks flattering on me, and it really just opens up my eye, because for all my hooded eye people, y'all know the struggle. It's just, it's a struggle. So now just going to be taking the shade Wow and going to be blowing that under my eye, and then just going to be stamping bubblegum right under my eye. I took Wow a little bit more blown out, and then I used bubblegum right near my eye. And here I just took the Jumbo White by the NYX, and I really, really like this because it makes my eyes pop out so much, and I live for that. Alright Foxies, this is the finished spring look. I also wanted to mention that if y'all ever want me to do like a makeup more in-depth tutorial on just face, I'm talking about contour, foundation, primer, all that good stuff, in-depth video, let me know in the comments. And if y'all want more spring looks, also let me know in the comments. I hope they all enjoy it, and if you already created, like I said, DM me, tag me a picture. I would love to repost it, and until next time, Wednesday or Saturday, I'll see y'all. Bye Foxies.